Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. You will enter the settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Relive and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.